A lot of survey apps make earning look bigger by showing points instead of money. The problem is points can hide what you're actually getting paid. Real cash apps remove that confusion immediately. By the end of this, you'll know 7 survey apps that pay in actual cash, which ones are easiest to cash out from, and which ones are worth using daily. The cleanest one right now is Yi-K. He shows your reward value directly in cash before you start the survey. That means no point conversion and no guessing. You finish, your balance updates in money, and in many regions, cash out is fast. Second is Ananakundi. This one keeps it even simpler. You answer one question, and if it qualifies, the payment goes straight to PayPal. No reward balance. No point system. Just direct cash. Third is Anitapolin. Atapol shows cash values on each survey listing. The app is built around quick mobile use, so it's easy to see if the payout is worth your time before starting. Now the platforms that mix points and cash but keep conversion clear. Survey Junkie uses points internally, but the value is transparent and easy to understand. The reason it makes this list is because the payout system feels straightforward, not inflated. Opinion also uses a point system, but the cash equivalent is shown clearly up front. That makes it easier to compare opportunities. Henbox is one of the few older platforms built around actual dollar values. You see cash, not tokens. That keeps expectations realistic. Then there's eProlific. This is one of the strongest for study-based payouts because every study lists the payment clearly in cash before you join. That transparency is a big reason people trust it. Here's what matters. Cash-based systems are easier to track. That helps you calculate your time. If a survey takes 20 minutes and pays low, you see it instantly. Point systems can hide that unless the app is transparent. That's why cash-first platforms usually feel better to use. Quick recap. Best pure cash app. Way. Fastest direct payout. Best premium cash studies. Were prolific. Best mobile option. Atapol. The practical next step is simple. Install 2 cash-based apps and compare how often the listed reward matches what you actually receive after completion. That tells you quickly which one is honest. If this helped you avoid the points trap, like the video and subscribe for more.